Okay, let's try this again. So I want to take an opportunity to show you some of the changes that I made here to my Stanley coffee kit system. I'm actually going to be ditching this folding table by Rock Club. I will be doing a review on this particular table pretty soon here, so I'll be looking forward to that review. But I did want to show you a few changes that I made, and one of the newest changes that I made to this kit was I've added a brand new folding table, and this is actually the folding table right here. This is going to be by the company Firemaple. It's a folding table that is designed to cook up to a butane tank, and this also works for the medium-sized butane tanks. So I wanted to show you guys how this guy looks. Right now it's currently in its folding case, and inside the coffee kit, in case you don't know, if you can't see right here, that is my small butane tank that I have for my coffee for this kit. And it looks like my sugar, there we go, and it's kind of cooled down a little bit here. So we're gonna go ahead and stick this guy back in here, and then we'll give you guys a full-on review of this folding table soon. I've already been using it on another piece of kit, so definitely can't wait to show you guys that.